Hello friends, welcome back dear students. In that tutorial I try to put a new and better and beautiful background on that photo after choosing the square issue for it. Now I'm going to choose the beautiful background from that gallery option. So as you know there are a lot of new backgrounds are available on it. We will choose the favorite one among all of these backgrounds available on it. So dear guys, for that purpose here we are exploring these different kinds of backgrounds and I have to select that one which is so beautiful and an amazing backgrounds according to the suitability of that image. Here I have to rotate the pictures according to it. So guys, after rotating that image our picture is looking from here to